It took my uncle 7 years to drink himself to death. First, he lost his job, then his wife, and finally his driver's license. He retreated to his house and had his bottle delivered. One night he tried to go downstairs to the basement, and he flew down the steep basement stairs. My aunt came by weekly to put food on porch, and she noticed the mail and papers stacked up, uncollected. They found him at the bottom of the stairs, just steps away from his stockroom. Now that I'm old enough, there are some questions I would have liked to have asked him. Who did it to you, Uncle Peck? How old were you? Were you 11? Sometimes I think my uncle is a kind of Flying Dutchman. In opera, the Dutchman doomed to wander the sea, but every 7 years he come ashore. And if a maiden will love him with her own free will, he will be released. And I see Uncle Peck in my mind, in his Chevy 56, a spirit driving up and down back roads of the Carolina, looking for a girl who, of her own free will love him, release him.